Hi, let me tell you something. This past weekend, I had Covid. Love that for me. And since obviously I stayed home, I decided to watch Euphoria. And I did. I finished all the episodes in 2 days. At first I thought this is way too much, like it's way too disturbing and stuff like that, but then I kind of started enjoying it. And then I became obsessed. So yeah, here I am today, and I'm going to not recreate a certain look, but I will do my makeup as if I was a character on the show. So I will do a makeup look kind of inspired by the vibe of the show. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start with my face makeup, which is going to be pretty light. I noticed that they don't really wear high coverage or just cakey face makeup in general. And I will keep in mind that these are high school kids we're talking about, because I've seen a lot of people doing complicated double cut creases and stuff like that, but they're just kids. So I will try not to make it too professional somehow, you know. I'm going to apply my Waterblend foundation today. This is the lightest coverage foundation you will ever find. Like, calling it coverage sounds like a mistake somehow. This is lighter in coverage than a skin tint, and this is discontinued, by the way. They replaced it with the Watertone foundation, which is shittier than this one. I really love the Waterblend for just, I don't even know, it's like it brings out a glow in the face without covering anything. So pump some on my face. As you can see, it's really liquidy, and you have to be pretty quick when blending this out. So I'm going to blend it with my hands first, because the sponge literally absorbs everything since it's so watery. I will be careful around my styled baby hairs. By the way, what do you think about this hairstyle? Does it look gross? Because, like, I have mixed feelings about it, but it's kind of cool. Like, at least I'm doing something different, you know? Anyways, I'm going to take my sponge and really blend this in. Again, it's going to absorb some of that. I don't mind it, but I can't really blend it entirely with my fingers, because it just looks just creates some kind of a weird streaks on my face. Even for concealer, I'm going to do very light coverage, so I'm going to use my Kind and Free by Rimmel. This is very light in coverage, but again, it gives that kind of a healthy, natural glow, and just makes the under eye more hydrated and just brighter and healthier in general. Taking the same sponge and just blending this in. And as you can see, this does almost nothing, but again, the under eye just looks overall just healthier and glowier. And you can apply a second coat if you want more coverage. Today I do. I don't think I do. I'm not even going to set my under eyes, I think. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to apply some cream blush, the Fenty cream blush in Crush on Cupid. Taking some of that with my finger. Again, I want the face makeup especially to be very casual. Not overly polished and just well done in general. I just want it to be pretty messy. That's the vibe I'm going for today. My ring eye was not turned on to the max. Love that for me. Next, I'm going to apply some bronzer. The Dior nude bronzer, because it's just so natural and a little bit shimmery. I think it will really suit this look. So I'm going to apply it with my Morphe M405 brush, which is clean, by the way. Not so clean right now because I just took the bronzer on it, but I just washed some of my brushes last night. I'm going to apply it somehow underneath the blush, and we'll also apply it on my forehead, but again, tapping. So hopefully I won't ruin the baby hairs. And I'm kind of applying it on the outer perimeters of my face, being kind of messy with it. It's pretty hard for me to decide. I don't know what I want on my eyes. I have this palette here, the Douce by Juvia's Place. I think this could work. I want something kind of duochromatic on my lids. I want something that's kind of shimmery, mermaidy, stuff like that. But again, I kind of want color as well. So I have here two kind of duochromatic shades, especially this one is really has purple shifts. But I don't know what other color to pair this with, because I don't feel like doing purple, you know? I don't know, I think I'm going to go for this one on my lid and then I'm going to see. Probably I will have to do purple. Whatever, let's apply this and see how it goes. Ah, it's pigmented. Okay, that's cute. But I think I will have to go for purple or blue, something like that. Okay, I think I know I'm going to pick up my Violets palette by Juvia's Place. And we'll pick this dark matte purple, blue, violet, however you want to call it. This is the More PM 149. And I'm going to do that kind of a faded graphic liner. I'm going to start from my outer corner and create kind of a faded wing liner. And by the way, since this TV show is so popular at the moment, I really hope that it can change the makeup trends, because I really want people to go for bolder looks. I don't know, like I would really love regular people, like the ones that right now are only wearing neutral eyeshadow. I want them to just go a little bit bolder with their makeup, you know? And that's going to help me as well, because if I wear a bold look, hopefully people won't look at me like I'm some kind of weirdo. So I really hope that this show can normalize more creative makeup. Okay, I really love where this is going, but I'm going to turn it into a graphic liner look. So I'm going to extend it here in my crease. God, I love this brush. It allows me to do so much. I feel like brushes are really important when doing makeup looks. I remember I used to struggle so much with blending colors, like more than one color in my crease, because my brushes were huge. And I got my beloved Morphe 506 and 507, which are pretty similar, but this is the 507. And dude, they just changed my makeup game. So back then when I got these, double cut creases were popular. That kind of a sunset cut crease, you know, when you blended a lot of colors into your crease. And like, see, I would love to be able to wear this look in an everyday situation, like just go and run some errands and not have people stare at me, because this is a perfectly normal everyday look. Because it's also really easy to do, like it's just two shadows, one of them was applied with a finger. It's just probably takes a while to figure out how to do this liner on your eye shape. Anyways, it's an Euphoria look, so obviously we're going to do rhinestones. I was really excited for this part. I'm going to use these rhinestones. These again are kind of duochromatic. I just don't know how to place them. I don't really want to go over the graphic liner because I like the way it looks. Like, I just don't want to ruin it. I'm going to apply some on my baby hairs. But I do want some around my eye, I just don't know how to place them. I think I'm going to start with the baby hairs and I'll go from there. I have my lash glue and toothpicks here. Again, the lash glue is black. We'll see how I can manage to do this. Just use my toothpick to place some lash glue down. Okay, now let's pick some rhinestones. I'm just gonna take it one at a time and then we'll see how many more I need to add in order to be satisfied with the amount of rhinestones on my face. These are gorgeous, gorgeous. Whew. I do want more. Okay, I think I finished my hairline and I was thinking, actually, just going to apply some more. So I'm going to apply one more here. I was thinking of going somehow around the liner and create kind of a liner with rhinestones, similar to what Cassie had in I don't know what episode of season 2, kind of going something like that. Maybe one more here. I just hope this goes well. Okay. That's so cute. At first I didn't want any highlighter, but now I want to apply the Diamond Bomb by Fenty. Obviously it's glittery and it's going to add that touch of something. I'm not going to apply false lashes today, just a tiny bit of, not tiny bit, just a lot of mascara. I'm going to curl my lashes first, trying to warm up my lash curler. So, curling my lashes first. And I'm going to apply my Size Up mascara by Sephora Collection. I'm in love with this look, just love it. Okay, for the lips, I'm going to just make them nude with a little bit of gloss. I'm going to apply this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Completely Sepia. I'm actually going to fill in, because the gloss that I'm going to apply is almost clear, so I do want an overall color. And the gloss that I'm going to apply is this Sephora Collection gloss in the shade Lover. It has these tiny pinkish sparkles. Not that noticeable though. And that is everything for today's look. Really hope you love how it came out. I really love how it came out. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And that's it. Just had a rough past couple of days, so I don't know, feeling slightly better today, so might be the makeup as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!